How to make your birthday public on Facebook. So if you want to make your birthday public on Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and switch to your profile. If you're on your page, you need to just go with your Facebook profile. Now tap on the upper right again, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on your profile. It will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, it will take you to your information. You need to scroll down and you need to go with details and go with edit, which is on the right side. Under your details, you will have your birthday details, right? You need to just scroll down and then go with your birthday. Or if you don't find it right there, then you can also go with edit your about info, which is on the bottom, and it will take you to the about section. Now if you scroll down here, you will have your date of birth. So if you want to make your date of birth or your birthday public, then you need to tap on your basic info and go with edit, which is on the right side. Under your basic info, you need to go with your birthday, go with the right side, drop down, tap on the drop down and then select public. And again tap on the drop down and public. That's it. Now you can go with save, which is on the top right, and your birthday has been saved to public. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.